Alright, this next segment here is all about when those people call you at dinner time or whenever on your cell phone, phone solicitor, or trying to sell you stuff or scam you on the phone. Well, take a listen to this call here. They tried to do the same thing to me. See how I handled that. Alright, enjoy this segment. Make sure you leave a comment and tell me what you think. Alright, enjoy.
Hello, this is Rachel. How are you?
I'm okay. Who is Rachel?
That's here. Rachel with the home header, and it's a quick call. I actually won't waste your time.
The home what? The home network header?
A home center company.
Home center.
Yes, we are a construction company, and the reason for the call is to inform you that your property is currently eligible to take advantage of several ADU programs, the accessory dwelling unit. Are you familiar with it?
No. Tell me more about it. What is it?
Sure. Okay, basically what an ADU is, it's a conversion for a garage, backyard, or a big house into a full living space with its own kitchen, bathroom, and all. So it can be used by family or friends with their own privacy or for annual income, where you can make anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 a year, and this is gonna be with no money down. I mean, no upfront cost.
Wait, you offer me a job doing home network center? Is that what I just heard?
No, actually, what we're offering is building an ADU with no
Yeah, but you said it was $90 an hour. That sounds like a job offering.
I said $30,000 to $60,000 a year.
Yeah.
With no money down.
That's a salary. So how can I get employed? You need a job application?
All right. How are you gonna get that amount of money that by building an ADU with no upfront cost, so you can get an annual income from this additional unit?
Wait, but did you get my resume from monster.com? Because you're offering me a job, $90,000, and I say okay, I agree.
Allow me to ask you, you're the homeowner, right?
Yeah, but I also need a job, and you're offering me a job at a home center at $90 an hour. That's what you just said.
I said that you can make anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 a year.
30 to 60. Yeah, that sounds good. Is that part-time, full-time?
All right. This is going to be by renting the additional units that you can build with no upfront cost. What we're offering today is 100% free, no obligational consultation. So we send one of the experts, and they can let you know more about the program.
Is this the first interview or the second interview? Because you said there's no guarantee, I think you just said.
I said, is your home a single family home?
Yes, it is, but I'm more interested in the $30,000 to $60,000 a year.
Okay,
so I need to know, how can I apply, or are you just going to give me the job offering automatically? Because that's what you're calling me, right? Because you found my resume.
Not your resume. We're calling you because you're the homeowner, so you can build an ADU with no upfront cost.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. I don't live in the AEU. I live in the United States. So I don't want to travel to the AEU. That's European nation.
No. I mean, you live in California, right?
Yes, but how you got that from my resume from monster.com? So I say I accept the offer you're offering. When do I start? Because I still have to fill out the W-2 form.
Okay, what we're offering is the free consultation. So the expert can let you know more about the program. It's going to be a quick meeting. They're going to pay you a visit as 100% free. No obligation consultation. Tell you more about it and how you can make this amount.
Okay, so where's the address? Because I understand I have to be interviewed. What's the dress code?
It's not an interview.
What's the dress code, please?
It's not an interview. You mentioned that you're interested in earning $30,000 to $60,000 a year.
Yes, I said that. We're drawing circles, please. I said I do not live in the AEU, and I said the job offer that you're offering me for 30 to 60,000 a year. That's acceptable. Now I'm asking you, where's the address so I could go, and what's your dress code? Do you need a business suit and tie, or business casual is fine? Which one?
Okay, you got me wrong. Actually, what I mean, a accessory dwelling unit program. It's about building an additional unit on your garage, backyard, or a big house, so it can get you annually anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 a year with no
So what you're
money down
saying
to
is
start.
I'm going to be a sales rep, or am I going to be the construction worker? I don't know which one you're saying. 30 to 60,000. Is it a sales representative that I dress in a suit and tie, or is it a carpenter or a house builder with a hammer and nail?
Okay, so what we do is build you the ADU with no upfront cost.
I already told you I do not live in the European nation. I live in the United States.
ADU is the accessory dwelling unit, the additional dwelling unit that would be attached to your property on a garage, backyard, or a big house. So this additional unit is gonna get you this amount of money a year with no work, no money down as well.
Well,
And
that's how the job works, right? You're being paid. I don't think you're paying AEU fees for what you're doing. So I need to understand, where is the address you want me to report for the interview?
it's not an interview. What we're doing is sending the guys to stage assessor, and they're gonna walk you through the
So now you say I need to get a license? Like a insurance agent needs an insurance license?
It's about meeting the assessor. We send the licensed state assessor so they can explain to you more about the programs of the accessory dwelling unit, let you know how you can earn this amount of money a year. And if you won't go anywhere, they're gonna see you a visit to your address that I have here. And
Okay,
sure.
I need to know, is the job offering for real, or is it one of these ghost jobs? Because you're driving me in circles, going crazy. You're offering me 30 to 60,000 a year, and then you're not allowing me to go to the address to get the interview.
It's not an interview. Actually, the appointment, they're gonna be a visit to your address, right?
You keep saying that it's not in the AEU. I live in the United States. Now,
Yes,
what is your name
as I
again,
mentioned
please?
before,
What is your
my
name?
name is Rachel.
Rachel what? Because I want to be polite and respectful.
Rachel Michael.
Okay, Miss Michael.
Okay.
Can I use your voice on my YouTube video because I am recording this conversation?
All right. So I must
Yes?
ask you: are you interested in adding the EDU?
No, I'm interested in putting the solicitation call on my YouTube channel.
Oh.
It's sort of like smile, you're on candy camera, but we're on the phone, so
Okay.
I see a smile on your face.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, so be sure to watch it on my YouTube channel. All right.
All right. Sure.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Bye bye.
Okay, you can hang up on yourself. And there you go. You have your own first video. I hope you enjoyed that crank call solicitation. Be sure to support the channel by buying my book listed on Amazon. And help support the channel so I can bring you more exciting phone calls like this. Thank you.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.